How's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to fix my mother-in-law's leaf blower. Thing is, I didn't really have to fix it. All I had to do was start it, and there was nothing wrong with it at all. So, spoiler, you can stop watching the video right now. It works. But this is more of a public service announcement. Things are going to get you down sometimes. You're going to get flustered. You're going to do things that aren't necessary. You're going to jump to conclusions. Remind yourself to stop, step back, take a breath, and try to move forward. Because I've been there. The worst case that I can think of, I was doing some work on my truck. I remember I had a head cold and not a lot of time to do anything. I was just rushing to get some things done, and I found that the motor on the windshield washer fluid for my truck stopped working. It wasn't squirting water anymore. So I spent a good amount of time draining all the fluid, getting the motor off, and going to buy a new part, put the new one on, and then I tested the old pump, and it worked fine. There's nothing wrong with it at all. So why didn't it work when it was in the truck? Turns out I was pushing the wrong button. I just didn't push the right button. Truck I had been driving for 10 years at that point, and I just forgot which button to push. You know, like I said, I had a head cold, I had a bunch of other stuff going on, and I did all this work that I didn't need to because I didn't just slow down and think about it. So, hope you enjoy this video of me starting the leaf blower for my mother-in-law. Hey folks, how's it going? My mother-in-law brought over this leaf blower because she said it won't start. So let's take a look. Let's see if we can get it running for her. Don't know anything about it. Well, I guess the first thing we can do is just try to start it. See what it sounds like. Okay. Yeah, this looks like it'll hold the throttle for you. So it's out on full. Let's put it down to idle. That's a stop switch. Looks like it defaults to run. You have to hold it down to stop it. Primer ball looks full. I don't know if she was pulling on this a bunch already. Maybe she primed it too much before she brought it here. So I'm just going to leave the choke off for a second, this on idle, and I'll just try to start it up and see what happens. I'll just go for it. Well, it's best to start with the instructions. Press the primer 10 times. Wow. Okay, well, let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Set to full choke. Set throttle to full. Okay. Pull the starter rope until the engine attempts to start, max 4 times. Okay, that was easy. We'll set the half choke. Now pull starter rope again until the engine starts. Then wait 10 seconds and set to run. Okay. Well, it runs. Hey, if you're liking the content so far, if you think this is a good mission for us to be going on, then please show your support. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave a comment. It all really helps, especially at this early stage. Every small click really helps. And if you're really liking the content, consider subscribing on Patreon. Every little bit goes right back into these productions. Better cameras or just another camera. Let's see, maybe some better editing software. We could pay for some copyrighted music. Every little bit helps. Eventually, hopefully, it'll help us do more projects faster. And with every project that we complete here, we all learn and we all save. So thank you so much for your support. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe.